welcome to Cooking with Asher. I'm Asher. I'm having guests over for dinner tonight, and I have candles, music, but I would like to make a special dessert. Something gourmet and playful. I'm going to make some Ferrero Rocher ice cream. You know how it comes in gold wrapping? Well, I'm going to make it in edible gold wrapper. Don't worry, you don't need a machine. This is easy. Watch this. And I'll see you back here in 4 hours. It's been 4 hours, and now with my cookie dough scooper, I'm going to put a scoop in the center of my plate. Full disclosure, apparently you'll need more than 4 hours. I'm carefully putting the gold paper on the ice cream. Have you ever tasted gold before? This is 24 karat awesome.